So here's the update on the Xterra, guys. I replaced the fuel pump yesterday. I drove the car, started it up, drove it for a half an hour. It's like all the issues were gone. It was not stalling out at red lights. It was not having any weird RPMs. And when I hit the gas, it acted like I was hitting the gas. Like it was not in limp mode. It was perfect. Perfect. I felt like I almost could celebrate, like the car is fixed. Then I get home and I shut the car off and I went to go restart it just to make sure that it was good, and no crank. Absolutely no crank, no start. So I hear the starter clicking, the fuel pump, you hear it, fuel lines are pressurized. I went to take the fuel lines off of the fuel pump and sprayed gas everywhere because it was pressurized, but I could not release the pressure from the fuel line under the hood. It was not pressurized at all. I changed out some fuses and whatnot when I was trying to diagnose if it was a fuel pump, so maybe a fuse that I changed out didn't work out. I don't know, I don't have a multimeter. What's your idea? I changed out a fuel pump and now I have no crank. Pump. Fuses. Replaced this one and this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. It's like it's not sending any power to the starter. So if you have any ideas why after replacing the fuel pump all of a sudden now it doesn't want to crank, let me know.